15 common idioms and phrases with their meanings and example sentences. 1. Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. Example, to break the ice at the party, John told a funny story. 2. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example, she hit the nail on the head when she said the team needed better communication. 3. Bite the bullet, meaning to do something unpleasant that is unavoidable. Example, I had to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. 4. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret unintentionally. Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. 5. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. 6. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home. 7. A blessing in disguise, meaning something that seems bad but has a good result. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It led me to a better career. 8. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Example, we go out for dinner only once in a blue moon. 9. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example, don't spill the beans about the new promotion. 10. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that designer dress costs an arm and a leg. 11. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action. Example, I've made my decision. Now the ball is in your court. 12. Kick the bucket, meaning to die informal. Example, the old man finally kicked the bucket at the age of 98. 13. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake. 14. Add fuel to the fire, meaning to make a bad situation worse. Example, yelling at her just added fuel to the fire. 15. Through thick and thin, meaning in good and bad times. Example, true friends stay with you through thick and thin.